my birthday, Edward. Kiss me.
Why would I do that? You're a human. You don't glitter like me.
Hug me?
No. How about a good pat on the back?
Welcome to the party, Bella.
OMG!
Surprise, Bella. Oh, paper cut. What happened with Jasper was nothing.
But I don't want it to happen again. You'll probably never see me again.
Hey, hold on. LOL. OMG, he did not. Okay, what?
You'll probably never see me again.
Probably? Okay. Wait, don't leave.
I wonder why, if he loved you, he left you. So mouth-watering.
Jacob, no!